everyone, welcome back to Rinsang Vlog. So today we are at Tolimore campsite. So we are here for camping. So at the moment we are setting up our tent. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So just making sure that before the sunset we will be able to put up our tent and finish all the work. Alright guys, so we've already set up our tent, so we are ready to sleep. Our sleeping bags are ready now. Good night guys, see you tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, so here we are all set to go to the hike today. Here we are, Sonam and Ishi. So we are going to start with our hike today. So that is to Mount Slave Donuts. That is the highest mountain here in Northern Ireland. Sometimes it's really important to leave everything behind and go and enjoy with the nature and go for a hike or whatever it is. Just do it with the nature. I think it's really important in our life. Life is very short and we don't know what we're gonna happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and we can't predict with lives and we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So I think living in the moment is very important and enjoy what you have got. There is so much that nature can offer us. So we are in the middle of the hike and we're enjoying the music along with us. Okay, so wait, my friend is gonna do some yoga poses over here. I think this is the perfect view and perfect weather to do some yoga over here. Right, so we have one more hour to go. It rained in between, but no matter what, we are going to make till the end and till the top of the summit. Okay, so we are nearly there. Oh my god, I'm really exhausted already. So we are going to take a round around the summit, and my friend Ishi, she's going to put the stone on the top of the summit. Yay! Alright, so we have got some tea in this weather. Thanks to Sonam for bringing us some tea. It was so freezing cold, and with that tea, at least it made a little bit warmer after all. Alright, so we are heading back from the summit through the different route. So it is freezing cold and we can barely see each other, really. So now we are going back from the summit and we are taking a different route. So we've got a place where we can just rest for a while and going to put some firework. In the middle of nowhere, we met these beautiful horses. Oh my god, these white horses have got some moves. Oh my god. So, wow, we are dipping in this water. This water is freezing cold, but we are going to take us time out and enjoy this natural swimming pool. I know the water was freezing cold, but at one point I felt like I was numb, but really enjoying and taking some shots from GoPro and underwater. How beautiful it is. So this is our happy face while going back. We are about to finish our hike. So thanks to Sonam for taking those beautiful shots of videos and photos. Day number 3. Good morning everyone. I'm starting my day with hot water. This beautiful prayer flags just hanging outside our tent, and what a beautiful view. Alright, so we are in the middle of making our breakfast ready. Woo! So we are already outside now, so we're going to take some drone shot while my friend will do some yoga poses. Last but not the least, and last is yes. Alright guys, so we are going to wrap things up now because we have to leave this area. It's already been 2 nights over here, so we really enjoyed it. Now we are in the middle of packing everything. Guys, so we have come to a conclusion of this beautiful camping. So we've already finished with the packing now. All set to go back. Ooh, we have finished. Ooh. But this was really great experience. So we really enjoyed this camping. This is my first time doing such camping where we are the one who is going to put the tent and everything. So because of my friend over there, so he's the one who organized everything, and then that's why me and my other friend Hishi, so we were able to meet over here in this beautiful camping site. It's called Tolimore camping site over here. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.